So simplify following Boolean function using 4 variable Karnaugh map considering the don't care conditions. So we are given this Boolean function and these are the values of m, and plus these conditions are given. These are called don't care condition and they are represented by D. So 1, 3, 9 and 11 पे हमने डोंट केयर डालना है और बाकी 0, 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 13 एंड 15 पे हमें वैल्यूज़ गिवन है. सो इसके लिए वी विल मेक ए 4 वेरिएबल के मैप. सो फॉर दैट वी विल डू, so this is a 4 variable k map and variables are a, b, c, d. We will write so this is a 4 variable k map. Variables are a, b, c, d. So we will write a, b on this side and c, d on this side. So values of a, b and c, d will be 0, 0, 0, 1. Here 1 is 0 and then in this box 1, 1. So this must be kept in mind that we have to put 1, 0 in this box and then 1, 1 in this. Similarly 0, 0, 0, 1, then 1, 0 in this box, then 1, 1. So this is the value and the values of m, 0 will go here, means 0, 1, 2 and 3, then 4, 5, 6 and 7, then 8, 9, 10 and 11, then 12, 13, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So we end here. So now substitute the values. First 0, 2, 5, 7. So 0, 0 पे हम डालेंगे 0, 2, then 5, then 7. So these are values. Then 0, 2, 5, 7 after 8, 10, 13, 15. 8 पे 10, 13 and 15. So these are the values and we have also to put don't care conditions 1, 3, 9, 11. 1 means this. So don't care we put like this 1, 3, 9 and 11 and 11. So these are don't care conditions. We put them with as a cross and others min terms are written with the symbol or digit 1. All the min term m0, m2, all the midterms with 1. So this is the k map for this. First of all we want to make the combination of 16, which is not possible. We don't have 16. So we will try to make, we can use don't care values if we need them, otherwise we can leave them. Here if we want to combination of octet or combination of 8, so we can use it to make, we can use these don't care conditions to make octet. So we can combine 8 values together and these corner values can be, because this is the round, this it is connected horizontally and vertically both sides. So this can be connected like this can be connected like this. So ये जो है इस 4 भी एक साथ ही आएंगे because it's horizontally round and it is vertically round. All these 4 come together. So if we write the final function, that is f in ABC, that will be, first of all combine these two terms. For this octet, the values of AB won't be same. So value of a is changing 0 0 1, and value of b is changing 0 1 0 1. So nothing from ab, and in this side value of c change from 0 to 1, so this is not possible. Value of d is 1 here and also 1 here, so we can take d. Then in this quad, 4 ones in this quad, we see how the value change on horizontal. 0 1 1 0 and 0, so second value remain the same. This value for d remain the same, so but it's 0, so we will write d bar. On the horizontal side, value of a is 0, here is 1, so a we can't take a. Value of b is 0 and 0, so we can take b, but b bar, it will be 0, so b bar. So which is equal to, we like x plus x bar y is equal to x plus y. This is Boolean Algebra identity. So this is x bar y, so which is equal to d plus b bar. So this will be the final answer, d